Hello, I am Samuel Daya. Today we'll be talking about different careers related in geography. In this video, we'll be talking about meteorologists. Now, let us begin. You may be wondering what a meteorologist is and why I'm outside. But all I can tell you is that you see everything that is behind me. That is snow. That is what meteorologists study. Not specifically snow, but the weather that creates this snow. Meteorologists study weather patterns and atmospheric conditions to make weather reports. They use this weather data they have collected to predict the weather and make forecasts. Well, you may be wondering, what's the point of a meteorologist? Why are they so useful? I can answer that question. No, be quiet. Have you and some friends ever tried to plan a picnic? You want your picnic to be on a bright sunny day, correct? Well, how do you know when the day is going to be bright and sunny like this one? That's what's useful for a meteorologist is weather reports. So you can know which days are sunny and have your picnic then. You don't want a rainy day for your picnic unless you're weird. I checked the weather today so I can know when to film my recording outside. See, even I use meteorology. Pretty cool about meteorology. But how much do they earn? Let me open up this laptop and plug in some numbers. Okay, let's see here. Seems here that the meteorologist's base salary is around $61,631 a year. Whoa, they also get cool benefits such as paid vacation, insurance, and pension. Now that's pretty stacked. Well, of course, becoming a meteorologist isn't easy. You need a bachelor's degree in atmospheric science or a field close to it. It also says in this binder here that you need degrees in physics, chemistry, and geoscience in certain positions. And if you want to go into research, it requires a master's degree or even a doctorate. Meteorologists don't only just keep their heads in the cloud and study weather, they can do a lot of other things. Now let me check my script because I kind of forgot. The most basic field is that they study different types of graphs and weather maps to be able to create weather forecasts and predict oncoming weather to help people out. Nope. Okay. Well, a few meteorologists are solely focused into researching, trying to understand how the atmosphere creates weather and how it impacts us. Nope, what? It's not this one. That's my B-movie script. Meteorologists need several types of equipment or instruments to be able to study the weather. A different set of meteorologists develop, manufacture, and advertise new instruments for other meteorologists to use. Marine biologist. Why do I have that written down here? In some cases, meteorology is useful for legal cases, in which maybe a natural event occurred during the time of accident or in a legal conundrum, and also in investigations to recreate weather conditions for a murder or an accident. I found it! Okay! Meteorologists can also sell weather information to customers like ski resorts and transportation companies because their services are reliant on the weather. Now the main part of this presentation, how are meteorologists related to geography? Geography. It is the study of the Earth and the relationship between us and the Earth. The atmosphere is a part of the Earth and meteorology. It helps us understand more about the Earth because you can understand how rain, snow, natural disasters such as tornadoes, cyclones, thunderstorms, and hail works. Weather is one of the biggest aspects and part of understanding the Earth as we are weak compared to these strong forces of nature. Meteorology is a part of atmospheric science and works with the physical aspect of geography. Meteorology is a small branch that is connected to the goal of geography, to understand the Earth and relationship between humans and the world, as the weather is important. Some geographic skills needed for becoming a meteorologist are graph reading, map reading, equipment usage, analytical skills, and team working skills. Now you know what meteorologists are and their relation to geography. Now, surely this information will be useful for you in the future, and please wear proper clothing when checking the weather. But before we go, I must speak a few cool facts that we have about weather. Did you know frogs, lizards, and other small animals can rain from the sky? I'm not joking. It's not something out of someone's bizarre adventure. It's a real natural phenomenon that can occur. Well, how it works is that a tornado picks up frogs or other small animals in a distant country, and then as soon as that tornado ends, the frog rained back down to the earth. You can tell the temperature through a cricket's chirping. First, for Fahrenheit, you count the crickets chirp in 14 seconds and add 40. And for Celsius, you count the crickets chirps in 25 seconds, divide by 3 and add 4. Hey, now you know the temperature. Another fun fact is that there will be a snowstorm soon. That is all that we have today. I hope you've learned something and can apply it somewhere in your life. Now, goodbye.